Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope you're having an awesome holiday weekend.
Yeah, we are actually on the move today, as you can see. We are just going out of the pass in a place called Roria, right?
Yeah,
Roria?
yeah.
I never know how to
There's only one R.
pronounce
one at the
it.
beginning, one in the middle. Roria.
But instead of eating a bunch of delicious food and stuff, we are sailing north today, and it will probably be like a 4-day passage.
Yeah, we've got some good, like a little weather window.
Yeah.
Normally it's blasting out of the northeast, which is exactly the direction we want to go, and over the next 24 hours it's going to be really light and then kind of come out of the east-southeast and then the east. And so we're going to take advantage of this last little light patch, and we're going to go as far east as we can in the light winds, and then when the easterlies hit us, boom, then hopefully our easting will be done and we'll jot north straight for the Marquesas and get up there for the cyclone season, because yeah, we don't want to mess around with those.
Yeah.
But yeah, hope everybody's having a fantastic weekend, doing stuff, drinking beer, watching football, eating good food, hanging out with family.
But because we are sailing, unfortunately we're taking the week off, so it won't be a video coming out, I guess Friday's tomorrow. So yeah, just so you know, we're out sailing and probably pretty rough
we're
weather.
good, we're fine. We're just not on the computers. We're out enjoying the ocean, as we're supposed to be doing anyways.
Look at this weather though.
Whoa.
Hi Sierra!
Hi Sierra! Are you ready to go to sea?
You wanna say hi? Say Happy Thanksgiving!
Whoa! Hey Sierra, do you want to say goodbye to Roria? Bye Roria! Hello Marquesas!
But yeah, we've had a fantastic couple of weeks here. Oh, you want to be in a shot?
Okay, come on.
Okay, come on. We can say Happy Thanksgiving again. Do you want to say Happy Thanksgiving?
Happy Thanksgiving!
Yay! Okay, sending lots of love from us. Bye. And have a great weekend.
Bye!